If you want to view your YouTube search history, this quick step by step guide will show you how to see and manage your YouTube history easily. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now, tap on the search icon at the top. Right here, you'll instantly see your recent YouTube search history. Each search will have a small clock icon, which means it was searched before. You can scroll down to view more past searches and quickly tap on any of them to search again. If you want a more detailed view, go to the bottom right and tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Settings, then select Manage All History. This will open your full YouTube history page. Here, you can see both your search history and watch history combined. You can scroll through everything, review past activity, or manage your history. So, yeah, that's how you can view and manage your YouTube search history.